This is the Poodle guy, and I'm going to explain to you and show you how to export the support info file. The support info file in Poodle is a really useful little tool that we use to help you. We can get a solution to your support requests much faster because we have all the information from the outset.
You'll find the Poodle support information under Site Administration, Plugins, and then in the Filters section, you'll see Poodle. There's Filters and Poodle, and there is Support Info. If you click on the Support Info link, the support information page will open, and you can actually see all of the support information that you'll be sending us. There's a lot of information there about versions and the various state of your settings. At the top of the page is an export button, also at the bottom of the page. If you click on the export button, that file will be downloaded, those settings will be downloaded as a CSV file, which you can then send to us, and we will be able to help you much faster because we have all the information that we need.